Hello students, welcome to MGC Learning, Standard 12th, Science. Today, in this session, we are going to learn Internet of Things Part 2 from the chapter Emerging Technologies of your subject IT for Science. Today, we are going to cover the following subtopics in brief. The advantages of IoT, disadvantages of IoT, and the applications of IoT. In the previous section, we had an introduction to emerging technologies or emerging trends in technologies. Among that, the first trend introduced was IoT or the Internet of Things. What was IoT? It was a platform where regular devices are connected to the internet so they can interact, collaborate, and exchange data with each other. A thing in the Internet of Things can be a person with a heart monitor implant, a farm animal with a biochip transponder, an automobile that has built-in sensors to alert the driver about functioning of the automobile, or any other man-made object which transfers data over a network. We have home appliances, ACs, security cameras, environmental monitoring, automated doors, toasters, thermostats, coffee makers, all are geared towards saving your time, energy, and money. So, these are some of the examples you can consider, which are the things which have internet embedded in them. So, IoT essentially means a network of devices and objects that are connected to the internet to collect data and send it through internet or receive information from the internet. It has the power to make your home or your organization or office more comfortable, safe, and energy efficient. So this was about the brief intro to IoT. Next, we shall study some advantages of IoT today. Internet of Things technology is playing a vital role in the enterprises for their future business. The technology has a significant impact on both common people and professionals' work. IoT facilitates the several advantages in day-to-day life today in the various sectors. So we will have a look at each one of them in brief. The first one being efficient resource utilization. Be it home, office, hotel, or any automobile, IoT facilitates an efficient utilization of assets for improved productivity. An IoT system collects the real-time data with the help of sensors and actuators. So you can further use it to improve the process efficiency and minimize human intervention. If we know the functionality and the way how each device works, we definitely increase the efficient resource utilization as well as monitor the natural resources. For example, if any of your home appliances notifies you about the task completion, you need not worry about the efficient consumption of the electricity. Washing machine gives you notification sound after the process completes. Or say automatic car doors, when your doors are not closed properly, they give a sensor beep. So these are the examples. Second one is minimize human effort. As the devices of IoT interact and communicate with each other and do lot of tasks for us, they minimize the human effort. The interconnectivity of devices and aggregation of data provides you full control over your devices that are connected with each other through the IoT system. Since you are able to control all your devices through just one centralized device, leads to greater convenience and comfort for us. Third one is time saving. Time is the primary factor in automation, which can save through IoT platform. The concept of IoT actually revolves around getting more work done in less time by automating the task and requiring little or no human intervention. IoT saves your precious time and also your hard earned money. For example, if your kitchen electronic appliance has the ability to turn off itself after the task is done, this will save your time and efforts required to manually switch off the appliance, as well as extra expenditure which is caused by the unnecessary use of electricity. Fourth one is enhanced data collection. IoT devices can collect data from environment like weather, sound, pollution, etc., which can be used to take decisions. Also, companies can have greater access to data related to their customers and products. They can take advantage of this to monitor consumer behavior, deliver better customer experiences, and make smarter business decisions. Technically, the more information you have, the easier it becomes to take right decisions. Next is improved security. IoT based security systems can make home or office environments secure. The use of IoT technology in surveillance helps to improve security standards in the organization and also help to track any suspicious activity. By using advanced gears, sensors can be used so that alerts can be generated against dangers. Thus, IoT technology can be treated as a shield between the outside world, the business organization, and the common people. So, as the new IoT devices are developed, it will help the enterprise to get more advantages from these latest IoT technologies. For the betterment of the organization, the correct IoT methodology needs to be selected and implemented in the enterprise. Advances in the IoT will benefit humans, but everything comes with a cost. There are some pros also and there are some cons also. So here next we will be learning about some disadvantages of IoT technology. First one is complexity. IoT is a diverse but complex network. The designing, developing, maintaining, and enabling the large technology to IoT system is quite complicated. There are several opportunities for failures with complex systems. Any failure or bugs in the software or hardware will have serious consequences. Even power failure can cause a lot of inconvenience. Moreover, a faulty design of its components can fail the important systems, leading to a disaster. So, all these is quite complicated or complex. Second is privacy. Even without the active participation on the user, the IoT system provides substantial personal data in maximum detail. It poses risk of identity theft. Data of IoT devices is openly available, so the risk is a risk of identity theft is more. So IoT devices first share data over the internet. a place where you will always find hackers in large numbers. To prevent this, all data must be encrypted so that data about your financial status or your personal information is secure. Third one is unemployment or the lesser jobs. More and more devices interconnected among themselves and to the internet will lead to a lower need for manpower and eventually loss of jobs. For example, jobs like customer support are already automated and most of the work is performed by chatbots. Automation will have a severe impact on low and medium skilled workers. Today, we are seeing a decline in jobs because of robotic machines that operate automatically in the grocery checkout line and even ATMs. As we head into the future of IoT, there will be a visible decline in the hiring process of professionals. So, this becomes a disadvantage. Fourth one is over reliance on technology, or technology takes control over the life, you can say. Our lives will be increasingly controlled by technology and we will be dependent on it. The younger generation is already addicted to technology for every little thing. We know that. We have to decide how much of our daily lives are we willing to mechanize and be controlled by the technology. However, relying on technology on a day to day basis and making decisions by the information that it gives could lead to devastation. So, although IoT has quite a few disadvantages, its advantages cannot be ignored. So, very soon, IoT will be commonly seen in both households and companies.